Hey friends, this is Atif of your Val and welcome to the update on Stellar. In my earlier video that I was showing you that the price of Stellar was getting accumulated at a very critical support that was at 31.2 cents. And this was also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous down channel as well. And here you can see that recently, a few days ago, we had a long spike beyond this support and we tested this very strong support zone that started from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents and the price and geared up, did not break down even this support of 31.2 cents. And now you can see that it is likely to gear up after testing this support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this breakout from this channel. You can see that after the breakout, we got stable ejections by this very strong resistance zone from 45 to 51 cents. This is a very critical zone that had been previously working as support zone, and after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. Since after 9th of December 2024, we got stable ejections, and we also found this up trend line resistance as well. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and this is the most recent rejection that was happening here on 16th of January 2025. At the same time, the price line after this rejection has broken down the exponential moving average 21 resistance as support as well. That was previously breaking a support here, resistance here, and now again it is breaking other resistance. And we have also lost this support of Ichimoku, bullish cloud, and now the cloud is also turned into bearish cloud. You can see that the color of the cloud above the candlestick is red, and the bearish cloud works as a very strong resistance as compared to the bullish cloud. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance as well. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Hive. You just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 7th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of XLM. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days of weeks, it had been moving inside this channel. And after the breakout, you can see that for several days of weeks, it had been rejected by this very strong resistance zone from 45 to 51 cents. And also got rejected by this uptrend line resistance as well. And now recently, we have broken down this Ichimoku bullish cloud support that was previously working as support here. Before that was working as a resistance. And now again, it can work as a very strong resistance, especially when it is turned into bearish cloud. You can see that the color is changed from green to red. Therefore, it can now again work as a very strong resistance for the price line. And we have also broken down the support of EMA 21 as well. This red line, the exponential moving average 21 on this daily time frame chart, that can again work as a very strong resistance. Now here you can see that for the past several days, the price line was getting accumulated at this very critical support of 31.2 cents. That was previously working as support here, support here. That was also working at a recent swing low point before the breakout from this down channel as well. Therefore, this support was very critical. And in my so many previous videos, I've been telling you that we need to keep an eye on this support. And despite this long spike here, the price line could not break it down so far. And now it is likely to gear up from this support. Now, the next upcoming resistance will be here at 36.3 cents. That had been previously breaking as support here and support here. And now again, it can break as a strong resistance for the price line of XLM. By the way, this is a very short-term support, but after that, we will have a very long-term support here at 40 cents. That is a very long-term support. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 40 cents, this support level, has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here for several weeks, a month, and resistance here back in the month of January 2021. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong resistance for the price line of XLM. And now if we take a look at the technical target, then target for the breakout from this channel is still here at the top of the channel, approximately at 63 cents. And now if we move to the weekly time frame chart, and this is the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you for the past almost 2 years. And I've been telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And you can see that the price has rallied very well after the breakout from this wedge. And the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between 80 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.